Super Yogo, go for more. This advert is FDA approved.
Get your hands up, get your hands up, get your hands up, hands up, hands up. Turn down for
what? Angelina, you be cool in my temperature. If you call,
say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, magazine, take a picture.
In the leg book, boah.
Where the party there today? Hey mama, hey I have a same. Secure.
All right, you are welcome back to the MX Social Show. We are coming to have fun at the detriment of your favorite person. Now, as I said, a lot of things have happened in the week. And yes, we just can't talk about them for here. And I have interesting guests on this episode of Bossu. What's up? This why Aboa Banku? Why is your name Aboa Banku on Twitter? I don't understand. What to do? Why?
Aboa Banku na ngasa be you see Banku Twitter. More like me I bring them something like that.
What is Banku? What the hell is Banku Twitter?
You see the Twitter video but plenty things there. You understand?
I don't Banku.
Now you go see a plenty accounts then something Banku, something Banku.
So you have multiple accounts.
Now you know be me. If you squad, so more like me I bring them. But that Aboa Banku na ngasa then the Banku ide say we go add another name. You see Twitter for
okay.
Forget some name.
But why Aboa? Charlie, what's up? Why the
Charlie cool.
The only sneaker plug on Twitter.
Yeah, Nyame Banku.
You then fire stick this. So.
Oh nah, you know my party so.
But he moved to you before.
In the Abi, you now you know.
Okay, but everything cool. How be the sneaker business?
Charlie cool business go.
So right now, you tell your body when you celebrity sneaker dealer.
Oh nah, we celeb. Me I be random person.
How you be random person? Anyway, so let's go straight into today's topics. The first one is, I know this one is a bit late, but we will talk about it because they have inundated our news feed with content, and it is so annoying. I'm talking about Chelsea fans. They won the Champions League, I think last weekend, and from Monday until now, when you open your news feed, out of the 5 pieces of content that you will see, 2 of them or 3 of them be about Chelsea. It is annoying. And you can't more winning cap down. We have won it before. We have done. You people will come and talk about history of FC and no, I don't care. But when we won it, we were quiet. These people everywhere you pass. Chelsea. Then the one you vex me with the Kante picture where they hold the Champions League. You will just be having a normal conversation with one person on, you come and drop the picture. What is wrong with you people? I don't understand. Are you a Chelsea fan?
I'm coming for support house.
Hey, massa.
Wait,
massa.
Wait, you are not a Chelsea fan?
I'm a United fan, pure one.
Exactly. You be Chelsea fan.
Chelsea top.
The Nyame na moye on social media. What be the sense in it?
100% sense.
Where the 100% be?
Una who wearing cap, how do we share them?
We have won it on several occasions. What are you talking about?
Small club mentality.
The past is not the present.
Nottingham Forest, Wajitu.
It be small club mentality.
Nah, that no be a small club.
It be small club.
Listen.
Okay.
Listen. The team be see, we win the team.
Okay.
We for enjoy, Charlie.
For how long? How many days or how many weeks are you people going to? Please, do you have the video of the Chelsea couple? Play it to make you see. As someone you done winning, I don't understand.
Yeah, the club
I just don't get it.
Any 1 week celebration. Any 1 week celebration.
Look, they went to the church and look at what they are doing. Like,
myself, Mura for go church.
If you come to my church, if I'm a pastor, I come and do this. I will put the Holy Ghost aside and beat the hell out of you.
If it is,
no one winning trophy.
Chelsea couple.
The couple said no come. The one that got married in a Chelsea flag.
Oh,
This one be nah.
Share.
oh, no, it's a small club.
Small club mentality.
Yeah. Correct.
We
Today said the 1 week celebration.
Share. Where did you Grammy? Wait. Now Europe no
Were 13.
Madrid 13 cup.
Now Ghana for now kasa Thiago Silva you know head oye.
No,
Every 1 minute
but
yeah
if he doesn't support them.
na be. Obebo modian so very hwehwe krum.
No,
Mankrofo hu.
me I support Manchester United. You win now 1-2 days you win.
Remove. Ban himself 4 years in more trophyless.
You know they concern me but
They consent.
even 4 years without trophy. When we finally win a trophy, we not do this.
Bruno Fernandes still trophyless.
And so what? We want.
And so we are still trophyless.
We still want a disposable cup. Relax. Forget. But what I'm trying to say is we are so sick and tired of this. We will trust.
Yes, and here 1 week celebration. Yeah,
Next one. You can join the conversation on our social media platform MX24GH on Twitter with the hashtag MXSocial. Comment. I will read your comment. I will everything where you go comment for there. I go can't read them unless it be that kind of comment. Anyway, let's move on to the next one. This one, they say normally when a topic they end like 1 week near a week, but this one transcended to like 3 weeks and all those things. Now, they went to court. The guy took Achimota School to court and he's won. The court passed a judgment saying, first of all, they went to an Accra High Court today here. So I think yesterday or I saw pictures of the guy on campus and all those things. So I said Achimota for they can't stop rigging. But do you think, sir, this matter like this level way catchy for catchy like this matter for not quench in the beginning?
For me, it like if I quench for the beginning, if you spy the Muslim issue,
Yeah.
you say you prevent it from fasting, you get it. Issue na nko baby
Yeah.
and but I don't know why this one actually went that far because
Probably the people involved like they got the
but Muslims need some we they do.
Yeah.
No be small noise.
Okay.
But still nko baby
They don't take go court.
Well, they don't carry them on go court.
They don't carry them on go
Probably.
court.
But wait, what my question to you be say, see, with this issue chair, this be something where if for chair like that or like with like the initial stages now like before quencham.
Then for quencham, so
Initial stages.
this one no be any issue. Yeah, it just be hair.
Okay.
Hair there, Charlie girls feed the braid and things they take come school.
Okay.
So boy to braid.
No. But the school them are their rules and regulations. They say make you know braid. What you say?
Oh, addition any trinio.
Okay.
I dream.
Okay.
Oh, a man come about muti be brain no. Na ben no. E bin so abon.
Oh. Watch your movie. The video of as a Rasta din kunim. Aha. More video no. Yeah, so yes, that is right. Papa, yes, they won the case. I think this case they beat me because they have challenged the status quo. Like,
of course,
you see that kind of mentality and rules and regulations, and I don't do this. For 100 years, cry you are supposed to do.
If you have seen SHS na kwasiang emrawo.
You bad because me personally when the thing came, I was like, well. If it
By force,
you understand
the dining by force you wait.
now but when you are common doing as they will blame the school. No. Listen.
School SHS on. Eduani bi no eduani bi wo ho mo ye de o de
Share. Anyone call school I know as a sample. It's serious. Anyway, but then personally what I've been trying to say is this is a brilliant idea. How do you people call president to say then because
see presidents
exactly challenging status quo and all those. I know some people will come at the board of governors for the school. They have come out to say they disagree with the court's judgment. This issue for not even get to this level.
Most stressy boy.
Are we make the kid go school?
School need to obey cool.
The stress. Oh no, into what? Omo man do any accident.
Once we try 5 pa, and yes we try 3.
No, I don't think they are going to do that.
To me, no, so I change school.
Exactly.
This is what I was saying.
Change school because school no do work.
Yeah,
the school take you go court.
You are.
They
Nobody
will
has
stress
thought
you.
here.
Like-
You win the court case for sure.
Like-
Reason go. Let's go fight man.
You go greet house master and say, hey, my friend,
Come on for you. Then at the time make you go fight man. Any
Yeah,
girls
Charlie.
make you go challenge the status quo for them.
Them are
that guy
Yeah,
too
Bema
is
with
the
the
last way. This one,
You
they
are-
no be any.
Because people are saying said Achimota you go right now, you go over and because they will
That
try.
one there, Charlie,
Yeah,
go
they will
over.
try. But then the first day in school, the dad says, "Oh, I'm treating." And they say for cameras.
I mean, you know, go stay the school. there.
Exactly.
You go
but,
go
but
house.
but that shouldn't be encouraged. Or the mark of court in worrying. Also, you disagree with the court's decision. Go to the court for an appeal it or whatever it is. But make the kid no suffer. He has suffered enough.
Exactly.
Because of her, you people don't want to make the
her.
kid
He
go
know-
school. Nah. So I feel like Charlie, for that side your people for just sit up give up. Anyway, let's move on to the next one. As I said, you can join the conversation on our Facebook page, MX24GH, Twitter with the hashtag MXSocial. The next one is about Shatawale. Who is a fan of Shatawale here? They say you be medical fan.
Pure, correct one.
Well, so you're a momotant.
Me and
I
me
was
don't know.
one more time now more can I mean tell say no.
Make you no come explain.
Mansa,
What
Mansa.
here? Your
You
friend was
momotant.
sending moment JD.
Offer me send their magic.
Into your momotant.
No.
That one there, what
Momo,
is
you know they support him because of the momo.
I know they support them because of the movement.
Hey,
sure?
Why
Oh,
you like?
they say night.
See, medical.
The boys they talk something for you. Them say, yo, the boys they talk. Them say if you mumu that boy. They say they send you 100 cedis. So you give Kofi Paradise 20 Ghana. So you give Jason 20 cedis.
See, medical never
Anyway,
come.
what make we not talk about Shatawale issue. I say some people saw what happened.
Yeah.
Me, if I talk right now, they go come move to me and things. But you people saw what happened.
Yeah.
The road contractor issue and all those things. The man go carry him boys, made them come harass them.
Lash
So
them.
at the end, when the thing started, your man was. Hey. The next minute, now you who are back. Talk to me.
Oh, you see, the matter Nankasa.
Okay.
I can't hear say then he gives some money.
He don't give nothing. On his FM, no. He said he's never paid any money to anybody to construct roads. So basically, they block him access to wherever he go.
Where
he
he
vex.
lash them.
Where he vex.
True for the EB1. What Shatawale do?
Enough.
He no good.
Enough.
You know good. That one there, we know good.
You see,
You
when
cry, no. You for thank God say them to do your road.
you bab.
Go
Exactly.
see some places like Aboa and things. Charlie, that place if
You
you
don't
go
take your
there,
ref pass.
you for wear brown shadow.
Before you go
Answer
cross the road.
Uche man wash water.
Now when you road, I'm a then he said, I'm fighting for you. I'm fighting for you.
You when him ho. So crowd that.
Also,
That say them
that's
fans can lie we.
yes. So when the issue popped up, his fans came to lie that he paid money to the contractor to fix the road, and the contractor has defaulted. That is what
this is crowd
exactly. when he was interviewed on Hits FM, he categorically stated, say he never paid money to anyone. When they tweeted that, when you go through the comment section, you see the fans. Oh, shut up! This one there, we make you do yawa. That is the problem with the fan base.
That one get the truth.
The artists them are fan base. They are every time they are
Supporting.
when I did
That
the
one
hour of the
there.
day, I said, oh, I'm going to. They came to insult me proper.
That one there be so artists from this.
Like I don't understand.
We now know say
You make-
when I'm
you make
saying
yawa.
make yawa.
Please, do
but
you have a
support.
video of him doing his things? No. Bob me uncle. Bob. Yeah, they are holding sticks and things. You see, this issue.
This one they be so.
You but my problem, okay, the people following him, I always talk say, who they are back or be na say a choke or tuma. Shatawale is not coming to bail you.
Yeah, that one there.
They always want to do, and I'm a die hard. Please,
He go get people with them.
he has money, he has connection. You following, you don't have. But when they call them almost a son, cutlass. Please, over them.
Oh, connection inshallah.
You pop.
Also work of dua. Hey.
The person came to apologize and to what would you how do you feel?
Yeah, chiwa wo kokko dem nsawom. Tatwalo no obetima afre Kofi Aba no ma be yi no. O dia wa inshallah.
Look at all this. One of
Any
the
Nima
biggest
vibes.
musical exports in the country. Look at this. Oh, can't say you hate, and now you are talking, and now you are doing. Wait, yeah, did you ground me?
Say start here and who can I yellow for the bar comment section in our so
yellow.
And never find yellow for
yellow for
Charlie.
Please, another video because we really.
My name is Sheldon, as you all know, and I believe that some news circulating around me and having fights with some contractors and like I'm saying, the man in question is my dad, is my friend. Like this is somebody that I always wanted to meet, but it's so unfortunate, things had to happen this way. But I also want to say sorry to Kennedy, for everything that happened. I believe you also find a place in his heart to forgive me, because it's Ghana and we are one people. That's how we need to live. And anything that has happened, I believe God takes care of the rest of it. So all the bloggers too that are saying I'm giving some contractor 4 million Ghana cedi, I believe you guys should really stop circulating, false news. And I'm not giving nobody 4 million Ghana cedi or $4 million. I just want us to live in peace and live in harmony. And I thank everybody and anybody that
Yes, so that is very much Atawale apologizing.
Yeah,
I never see him. I never see him humble like this.
Don't apologize.
And see, because the contractor says that if he doesn't apologize publicly, he was going to sue him or he was going to report him to the police.
Of course.
You don't do this.
Slap him or
Like that, you don't do this.
Oh, Charlie.
Okay, must you hate?
I'm sure you go hear the way they slap him hot one.
Then slap him.
We hear forget.
Anyway, but he has apologized, so
Yeah.
make we just move on. But my advice to the people now who follow now, small thing, no matter how to need cutlass next things, continue. You didn't say you can't apologize. They not will give you the chance to apologize. They will lock you, and when they lock you, you have family. Next time when you go follow SM for life, you will think.
Exactly.
Let's move on. The next one is about Sir John. I'm sure you have seen the tomb that. First of all, please show me the picture of the tomb, man. I want you to show me the picture before we even start the conversation on that. So this is a video, Sir. I have a video. This is a video of this is a tomb for Sir John. One man. Yes. This is a tomb.
So this one be only in very good birthday.
Yes. We don't know quite about them. I don't know. Say if in future they will try to expand it or make a real estate for them.
That's my real estate.
Yes.
Ba bibini pa.
What's the bibini birthday?
O ka che no ko nyini o.
No, but tie. The family no
No, family no.
Okay.
Family no. Obetima yewe you. But nipa no wu.
Yes.
This
is not the first time we'll be building such a structure.
Me say we see more times, but to me pan there we worry.
And I make a say
we community now no. Obetima ye den esi classroom buildings but 2, 3 bi. Now why then mo name classroom no. Yeah, in memory of the Sir John.
Okay.
Exactly.
It makes sense.
Okay, but then
This one, that's no create my classroom.
okay.
Yeah.
My problem with this if they don't guard it well, like if you're not Rasta man or more high or cemeteries.
No, almost
but
like
no man expand it to kitchen side, no more to
No.
But
So
what do you think
nice
about
area
it?
now?
What do you think about the whole this is huge.
I wouldn't want to say unnecessary. I wouldn't want to say that.
So what's your take on this?
And who here? You see,
You just said
I don't want to GIA.
I wouldn't want to.
Jarov. Yanko.
I wouldn't want to say,
But okay, so it is unnecessary.
Exactly.
Why?
Sika. And you sika.
Okay, Yanko.
And you sika. But and na me niya on bet me dey bibia e be boa community na nkasa. We still one plot.
But who says John or Tias no nye bibi on the community?
Obey all right. But anka mo ye bi ka ho a.
No me bi ka ho.
We say enam wo nkwan bebre a ense nkwan no.
Okay.
What
in two patches say I do almost see a waste of everybody's time.
Sabe pepe.
But enyo sika na person like enfo hia nkan kwase asem.
We say mo ka say enfo hia nya ohia na e dey kan.
Eyo hia. Oh, boy, we are saying about Bob Bra. You come say John about Bob Bra.
Wa Bob Bra.
And na busiafo and say okay, you know very man you dey go. make you do something befitting for her, for him. What do you say?
Anti maintenance is council.
Maintenance. I don't want to power now. You need to go there. Leave them.
Sasikani na nke beti abo community. Ebe ye bibi kesi.
I get what yeah. That one
you be no one name after him. It makes sense.
When name after.
Ebi boho bi. Na my den. My Banku mienu miensa classroom building. Collaborate it. Diasene ade.
Okay.
You know it makes sense. Okay. So if I build that things rather than.
But this is nice. So it really
be very nice. It be nice. Look at me.
I mean, if I get.
Let
me say me who. But yes.
Miss Meda.
What's the one from? Yeah, estate more. Trasako them one.
Wait, don't small money. We don't turn. You know, it's legal 3 billion.
Anyway, so the same Sir John in funeral. You know, politicians in this country, they are hypocrites. When people wanted to demonstrate, what did they say? Blah, blah, COVID this, exactly. COVID that. When the Christ Embassy youth people go do the marching for the dome there, no. When pictures came out, they invited the leadership of the church for questioning.
They even charged them.
They charged them. Yeah. The same COVID reason, no. Please play the video of politicians ending. You see, this country, video. This is a funeral of Sir John. You see the issue we have in this country. They prevented people from demonstrating because of COVID. They went to court to seek injunction. Exactly. Invited people, sued them and all those things. Look at them. Okay.
Oh, Bibini.
Oh. What's that? Yayama.
You see the issue we have in this country. They say you don't respect. Look at this. And I say COVID no virus. It is afraid of politicians.
Charlie.
This is sad. And you see, in attendance was the president, the vice president,
ministers.
What are people talking about? This thing that they have done, you people now, virus. If the virus no dey the country, make we just go. Make we open. They've not even opened cinemas, but look at what they are doing.
Exactly. We fala.
But say the president must answer to some of the questions that Kwadwo raised because this is not it.
You see, as
please
leaders,
talk to me.
As leaders, you set example for us to follow.
Exactly.
Yeah, that one.
But what prevents you from
demonstrating? Yes, no, we don't go do them.
We don't go.
Democracy. Yes.
They
talk. We agree.
Yeah.
Now
look at this. If you go do some right now, they will carry them as squad come carry you.
They talk squad. They share.
This is not nice.
This be the reasons we the fix the country, the convenience. But then send the issue go.
Yeah.
Say how you fit do all these things. Then talk say we no fit demonstrate.
That be the thing.
We are seizing the right to democracy.
The demonstrations have been my problem. Something to help the whole country.
Yeah. Look.
Just because it's fixed the country.
Maybe the virus they know they attack politicians and also maybe they are free. Not as
like
2 people, 3 people and they wear mask.
Obi a cry share mask.
Even if they are wearing mask, where the social distancing
you know they anywhere.
The people that wear masks. I say so. Omo fie nyenti no ma she no.
You come and people come and be there. I don't do this. What you Jonas Nebenyam? You need Jonas any Benyam because this is not right. Why they express and make Ghana police issue a statement? They invite the president for questioning. Then we will see say, the laws are working, but it is not going to happen.
Yeah, because he's above the law. I don't know.
We say above the law.
Please,
they above the law.
Let's move on to the next one. Let's move on to the next one. You can see you do omechia and you free anom. But the monko if ordinary citizens go do summer, then people go move to you. If you people do it, you are about continue. Yeah, we do. Yeah, you got to our mom. Now we mess up. So let's continue. Okay, so the next one is Captain Smart has resigned from Angel FM and he's joined Media Generals Unia TV. So he'll be hosting the morning show on the platform. And Yes, so the smart TV thing is still going on YouTube and all those things. But personally, I felt like joining them still, go get that kind of freedom they want vent.
That one there.
You understand? Because that is also a company.
Yeah.
They have their content guidelines and all those things. So the same reason he was, he was suspended at Angel FM. Probably it's going to happen here. Or you think they are going to give him that kind of leverage or that kind of room to operate?
I don't think. When say with the media, Nangasa, media goes with rules. More rules are you do operating in the media firms and media houses. So if one media house, it's me amount reasons to suspend you. What shows the other media house won't get reasons to suspend you? We say he's loud.
Okay.
And he has the audience.
What do you mean by he's loud?
He's loud, you say.
That's what TNT
he's louder in the sense that Nanudu bedroom, son of person.
Okay. You for explain. Yes,
I know in the
okay.
Listen, Nanudu bedroom. So now our audience, and I feel say, and was on one because I want to be sending our cousin with me YouTube.
Yeah.
Channel, Facebook.
But made the information in half hour.
Your life and you so.
Yeah.
People watching no be easy.
So what show be as now on no more rules to follow. Now a bit now restricted from doing some of the things you wanted to do.
But I need to say, but I need to say we are saying no. We be an decision.
Okay.
Oh, anyway, we are saying no. For Kwanya then Amoa, you 2 years 9.
And move the economy for
yes. The attorney say ebia na say Onia FM or under TV3 right?
Yeah, media general.
Yeah.
I mean, almost all under.
Yeah, almost rules no. Very very hard. Yeah, because so far rules be about Nana Bamu case be near day. Almost rules any suspensions I would go here. It be some way be. But ebia next can you know. Eso.
But I said he went there for money.
No, it's not for money per se.
You just made mention of
and your money in because only we are saying you have to pay to prepaid. Oh, you have to pay to
and we are saying you
have to pay to prepaid.
Okay.
And or bounce no order you boat only mean cause me did the captain smart.
If I just say the money is important also, he has to make money, right?
Okay. So into so onyesika no so. Onyesika free her. No heading or the support here, but no violence ni hu here. Oh, violence ni hu here.
What's the honest one? But violence be no man.
That is
what we Onia FM no ohun say Captain Smart no say not here.
What if they poached him because of the numbers he's having right now?
Okay. Ye bia obe pem ma menye exam obe pem me sense ma
be have a pell.
Debi enya wo danu ani hu na ti sun too much. See o pro baby e sense na hu ofin. O pro baby e sense na hu ofin. But through the process no obe hu ni suban. E na o ye den o se ne pe. Essence wo hu ni subanti no say hu say ade bi obebia no untimi nkasa.
Nah, so you think say where he is right now or koye bibia they no go fit complain or what?
They no fit complain.
What if he go against the brand?
Exactly.
No, tie.
What are you talking about?
Tie, no there.
He's not untouchable.
Oh, media
when
house
it comes to the brand,
he's touchable.
Untouchable.
Media house untouchable.
Yeah.
Media house.
So that's the picture of him on the TV3 morning show.
Yeah, he's touchable. At the end of the day, it's touchable. But no one him say no yeah, answer now only no sign the contract.
Let's get to the point. Is this going to affect or dilute the message?
Oh no, it won't. It won't.
I feel it will.
No, it won't.
Okay, let's move on. Let's go to our social media pages to read some comments. This is on Facebook. This is from Adufu Kufida. It's Aboa Banku where you drop more fire. Be like you get fans. David Asari said he is in the black business, so he think that the funeral when he wear the black, the virus will. Hey. Bro, yeah, bro. Maslow said, why is this an issue? You said blacks do what? Good to some. Hey, bro, please, typing. You know, This one is Emperor. Say he be Pharaoh too. his papa or the fear court. Okay, that is Emperor talking about Shatawale. This one is from Uman. Could you show the way you did Grammy? Sarkodie will never do this. Oh, okay, please. This is not a matter of Sarkodie and Shatawale. There's smart thing people want drag in comparison. This is why I say, my G say it's hard time for him to stop that yo-yo. Okay, yeah. I feel like Charlie, where Shatake start giddy yo-yo, like. Bro, you are too big for that. O podcast is outside. Yes, when they want podcast or conforce call anyway. Young Chelsea fans say, I don't know what is wrong with them. Exactly, we all don't know. This is from Pop G. Say, what's up, Sheldon? I'm watching you live from Temagov City. Saki high tension. No be small tension put up your mind. This one is from Sheldon Kogi. He say, what's up, Sneaker Nyame? This is from Spells Paris. Match Sheldon live. Okay, cool. So keep dropping your comments. We have more things to talk about. Let's go to Ifeolu's issue. You people, your favorite celebrity. Your favorite. Ifeolu deactivated her Twitter account in the week. You know, she's back though. But then I knew she was going to be back. Yeah. But she had God. She deactivated because of the bullying that happened online. Personally, I feel like they need. Now the premise of the story will be say. Hudson Odoi is in Ghana, and people are making jokes about the fact that he is going to have something to do with Ifeolu and all those kind of corny ass tweets and all. I don't subscribe to that. So as a result of mental health, she deactivated. Go ahead. Deactivated for 3 seconds, but right now she's back. But you people be agenda boys. Do you people think the things that people they do on Twitter, agenda, it affects people their mental health?
Oh, that one there, it affects Twitter there, Charlie. Who signing up? I saw you are coming to feel. If they not drag you for Twitter before,
but must it be so like why we for do that? Because not be everybody. Me the way I program myself, nothing will hit me. But there are some people. Look, you see what happened to Ifeolu. She no go fit.
Say she be girl.
It no be a matter of gender.
It no be first time. They always they do. Okay. But this one hit time.
Okay.
Okay. This one hit time. It take like then get some group of people always be hard.
They won't move to one.
Yeah.
Okay. So this brings me back to the mental health. Do you people consider people's mental health before you start your agenda? Please, you are agenda boy. Answer me.
What's signing up? A package.
What is package? You are abusing someone mentally and say it's package. Are you crazy?
If you sign up, I don't care about your mental
health. You put your heart somewhere. Tell them not drag you before. You never go know how it.
No, but it not be everybody you go to do that. There are people with feelings.
Sheldon, they drag me 2 years.
Okay.
They are dragging me 2 years.
Okay.
I be you to them they drag you.
Yes, and I'm saying I have ways and means to deal with it.
Me too, the same thing. So
exactly,
we have the same.
But we should consider people they don't know how to deal with these things and they affect them. That's what I'm trying to say.
You know something? This life, no. Soccer so film, it be about plenty things.
Okay, boss, relax. But do you think making joke about Hudson Odoi is in Ghana and he's going to sleep with Ifeolu?
That one is never funny.
That is what I'm talking about. So let's tackle the issue. Let's tackle the issue.
With that particular issue, I didn't support it. Me share a video because you read one of my tweets. Yeah. I didn't support it.
Exactly.
That one there is never funny. Yeah. Because now you are tagging a person as a prostitute.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That is what I'm bringing up for us to discuss. Some of the agenda
you don't know nothing about.
Sometimes it no be agenda. You see, we get agenda where we get cyberbullying.
So in her case, what was it?
Cyberbullying.
Exactly. So let's tackle that. Do you think it was so needless for people to come on social media and make that statement about the fact that the guy was going to sleep with the Ifeolu and all those things? It was needless.
Exactly.
It was never funny.
Media
wasn't funny about it.
This make I talk something. This is something people know the bad about. How? Those new accounts, I don't know who lied to them. Say if them they insult people or they attack people where them will get followers or something. It not be so.
Yeah.
Twitter it be socialized. We wanna own be trolls. But people they like them they won't attack you.
Yeah.
I say ye akro ye the born in a midfield. The open ye him say they say net here. But yen kan sa
exactly
ye be kan in a way say enye den nipa no kura no hu obesere sa
exactly o attack your personality
ba nkofo attack nkofo attack
personality no
exactly
personal lives ni enye so
I know in agenda
that is what
Twitter ube tweet we ya yen twa aka o
and I'm person they attack you because that joke it was insensitive.
Of course.
It's like always when I had that encounter with her, people started talking about prostitution. Like, bro, why do we have to go to that level? You know the need. Just go, just do your normal destiny and move. You can't.
If you tag somebody as prostitute, you can't sleep with your father before.
I don't understand. And you see all these things, people they won't do this thing for retweets and likes and things. Exactly. Meanwhile, you are hurting the person's feelings.
Engagement now.
Yeah. Imagine say you come to Twitter, hey, if Sheldon is going to sleep with this guy, like, bro, why?
If we think about the future,
people don't think about it. That is the issue with people
right now. One day,
we need to think about our future.
Yeah, do tweet better.
Exactly.
That
one day be true because.
Then take some time for website.
So Charlie, what should you try talk? You say, please. Yes, Rema. See, agenda. We do one at same, but don't go personal on people. And then we didn't perform. I mean, I tell now we yell, and then this one has slept. Bro, you know they concern you. Whatever you go take in body in life, do not be your matter. If you feel don't want to sleep with every man in this country, it is none of your business. Move on with your life.
Exactly.
So I had seen a joke there. Then I see some accounts there, and then are you serious right now? And then I'll G. Meanwhile, if they see if you don't one, they're not going to do that thing. Charlie, we will be serious.
Yeah.
But then she's back on Twitter, and I hope that everything is okay. Me, the arm, we sort one issue
today.
Yeah, so everything. I hope that she's okay because those things be very hurtful. Like by now, if you don't even know the guy.
Oba so the okata sa prostitute and then how they tag oba. We
have to respect ourselves. Agenda now did you do Crawford and you're fine.
Agenda now did you do Crawford.
Okay. So let's move on to the next one. This one is about a preacher on radio and making some disparaging and some remarks about the president because first of all you remember the jet issue with the president. The president hired a jet and all those things. So this guy on air decided to go personal with the president. You see, the freedom of speech bo video no, bo video man.
Africa ya play me kwa shwa no so since the deeper 150 cent eno mu ye erade moja edi bimbebre e hwere o monka enam play crash erade boy na sa play we to a emo form erade crash sa nipa no be sa crash sa play we crash okohan crash sa play we Ghana will lose nothing. Erade so claim this innocent weak claim this wicked insensitive life where Ghana will lose nothing. God claim this life. My play went 10 shake. Man top me nyanu flucrency. Erade so we says kano. E betimi dey atop bed. Am a painful mobile innocent children are surviving. God listen to my prayer. Let this prayer crash into the deep sea. Ni flukra mi antimi retrieve ni asabe bokase akota adaka. Yes, I'm ready.
So he's a preacher or something on Radio Good, and this is him venting his spleen on the president. So I call renting jet. Now, you see, if you have an issue with the president renting a jet, is that how to address it? Address the whole thing?
No.
Nah, that one there. Now you don't want kill. You don't want make the president die. You don't know. See that same money then go take to come do funeral.
That one to them go take build the hospital thing they talk about. Because I don't talk to me.
It wasn't
what
wise. It wasn't wise. It wasn't wise.
Some people just they use the freedom of speech. They talk no for too.
But this was so personal.
They care so.
They care the president.
But I never will care the president.
If right now they move them, then carry national security move to one time. They go talk to the president is a tyrant. You see, wait, the war man, you're the fixed country.
He not try.
If you have an issue with the president, what's our current jet? So amount of money. We could have used the money to build hospital or buy beds.
Exactly. That's
perfect agenda you get for there. Find ways and means to present your statement. Now, to Ukotna radio station, Now bodia. Just right now everybody is e-cursing.
This one the clout.
Electronic.
This one is clout, eh?
Pure clout. Obviously, you know.
Now, but
Because we software being na.
no. You had to.
Okay, when say o can style be na I say one look tia will be na. We one can ye nyansen.
We anka say the nyansen no credit e ba ko fe. Nye say bia me dey this of na nyansen.
It's not a matter of pastor matter. Asam na nyansen.
Nyansen kasa na enim because how you fit the radio then you care somebody.
Anyway, it's really
and yes somebody you.
And yes somebody.
The
president of the republic.
Say sorry.
The president.
We see freedom of speech and anyway, let's move on to the next one. This one, I say Ghana, the things they happen, you know. Ambulance, they never kill you Paco hospital, no. People they sick, emergency situations are they never find you. We go carry them go hospital, no. And coffee they trace cement. Patrol bo video, no. We are there, we country where me say my bread, bo video ni man. Share. Bro, I am so serious. No, say Bibini.
Debio. Every year they will be assi. I don't want to remember Bibini.
Jimmy Jonas can hear this with you.
Show. Oria no have talk data about Twitter. Fix the country.
Wait. There Yana say. Wait there Yana say.
I must say COVID.
Debio. So they make the cement factory problem. Me there Yana say. Okokoshe no na villages even towns big towns ambulance need be see.
Oh, na say we know the situation when it comes to the ambulance. And you see one funny thing is that the ambulance
we say nipa ko twa video is so good. Ozumi no ote baby. Ozumi. Wait there Yan say wo chu car no na bet wow okoko biem cement COVID that cement the first cement this car is very weak in the sense and say they near for those things because car we omo yema omo yema say the building e be 2 months speed it ain't so heavy
I say 35 bags of cement
so can ba for
baby say we so much cement una say ambulance drive what kind of rubbish
bro and the issue is the ambulance service they have come out to say they took the ambulance to a mechanic and the mechanic decided to use the way which I know say you know far than they blow their explanation doesn't make sense to anybody. The ambulance service they have mechanics, they have personal mechanics. They always they won't explain. The time I do my old girl be next for them. This is the markers for them. They have a specific
them they take you.
You people always they won't explain and justify things. How the ambulance got to that level? I'm going to cement. Meanwhile, perform obi nyem awakan.
Charlie.
Let me see.
Oba wona cry this one
Debio as a woman no wow. Anyway. Okay.
Charlie. So me say this country I was say take something serious. Share we who explain it to Bruni Kwantiase. I let me quote the famous. How you go to do this? Yeah, because this this they board out to the we fixing our attitude and all those things. It's what cement you go I do
what cement you go. And say na me dey be load cement a ambulance na me load boom.
Okay, yeah, moving on. Now let's move on to the next one. So police they investigate a matron of St. Paul's Technical for allegedly smuggling food items meant for students. I'm sure you have been to a boarding house before. Me, this will be news to me because where the school me I go, I know say the matron they still wanna rise more times, but then any who are non can. So yes, this matron decided to steal. The normally I come out school for school feeding program or whatever it is. You know, this woman go carry, is it 9 buckets of groundnut paste?
What?
You have the picture. Oh my God.
Where trouble?
Just a dream woman tells you what's a son you want to call.
This one they be true. Most matrons this been in my life.
And they will come and complain say the
you want a
government is
matron like
feeding
this?
them.
SHS want a matron like it rates this one. It rates this one. Weekends are Friday. Oh. In the use taxi,
Charlie,
but tomorrow we be PAB more.
But why?
Minimum so could be a trouble and
that's why you do or dining in kitchen.
Charlie, no be rich safe. That one said.
Who to me more Banku be say, but who to me swallow
So the
Banku?
first
Charlie,
time do is so wine jollof. Na be give me back go me could jollof. Me call me sase for anyway.
Your money are white.
Die.
Meanwhile, here metro here.
For packing in our
SHS, so a bit man
got him quiet say go here got him quiet.
Now buckets of groundnut. What do you call it?
could be a trouble.
I didn't cry. I didn't cry. High.
SHS, a bit man word Diani be. We should Diani say. Go higher zone to Lumina.
Charlie, oh, bro, why do we do this to ourselves, man? Oh,
universities.
Institutions.
Sir, and fencing. Orphanage,
children's home near Adeno.
Say, yes, there was almost.
How?
There's no.
We are no matter 200 megabytes. I'm better now fix the country. Meanwhile, we are now buckets of groundnut paste. Now you are better now social media fix the country. Meanwhile, your attitude stinks.
Say, Ministry of Education.
Education.
Sometimes I didn't have
we say Rollins time now. You woman now alcohol dear.
Yeah, with the interest. But we are very slippery. Now this one happened in Nigeria. The one way the plane go enter. Please show.
Nigeria is
They say when you set up a YouTube channel for Nigeria to create content, you never run out of content.
Nah, every day.
How you go explain to your boss say, "Oh, I make late because my airplane time go enter Madi."
The funny thing we say, look how them dig up.
Yes,
the more dig, you know. The more now so echo.
You can't. The tie be bigger than human being original now, but you go carry shop. And then, baby,
nah, baby, ni ankasa tie. Obey dem we are.
But say I'm mad is with me about honum.
But Charlie, Nigeria be somewhat.
But no, people also they tell this thing happen. I mean, if
Yeah,
you are pilot, no one.
You know the same Nigeria way dragon go
snakes until they swallow money and
Charlie.
yeah.
That country
Yes, it
be 6 country.
Yeah.
See we be how can they pick a craving.
You know see them space rockets na them do no.
Yeah, the one in the world like the space way.
The Netflix country pa.
Nigerian country it be comedy movie.
Maybe content like what to want if you be there the whole day of the day like be fun me because every
day you go get content.
Every information.
I don't know say between them and Ghana Ghana.
Charlie them a population to be solid.
Anyway, so yeah, no, I don't know. Say, yeah, I don't think there was a casualty or anybody died or anything.
Some of the commentators.
Yeah. Anyway, so yes, Charlie, be like here we go take on a conversation and for here why they are stay, but hey, we cry me here for African Union for so some more. Today they will be believing what video in African Union Parliament they want to elect a leader. No, now they fight. More video.
You will see the tenant cake.
Come on, no.
We the boy my first of African Union. Nah, I don't want African Union. No, I don't even know what they do.
I can't offer the quote in the minding my business.
Anyway, so yes, that is the African Union. So basically, they want. I mean, elect a leader for something like that. Charlie people go.
Me the explanation then they give we I know they understand. Say they feel some people get guns then things whatever what they.
Guns for them. And I said they be them issue. Why they don't search people as they enter.
How them go bring them?
So they fear. So then they fear that one.
But then people too they talk say this thing no they happen only in Ghana. I mean if you go Ukraine, European countries, they also fight in parliament. So See yen ti won. Inti yen de ne.
Maybe I don't kill you.
Somebody
Yeah, na abani ese ka.
That's a mom. You go do high kick be.
Bibi
Oba no ne kun sa no.
Anyway,
oba kra na pata mema no kra mpata o.
Oh na one sorry. Well, so yes, that is okay. See. So the Nigerian Twitter issue too. In case people don't see Nigerian people tweeting now.
Them go tweet. Them they use VPN.
But why? How can one because a president is offended? No, you know how many people were in the feed of the Twitter
Exactly.
after?
And then
You know the unemployment. I don't know what is happening.
They give them job for the country inside. Now then they find ways and means it for social media.
And the funny thing is they announced that also Banium. What Banium you announce it on their platform.
On the same Twitter.
And how over Banium no accept platform. No be what tweet or Twitter say
what same Twitter when WhatsApp
na missing
but mo say no pa we say omo app ni age.
Yeah, people are complaining say their tweets are not loading and all those things.
So it's Facebook
free mode. Use VPN. Yeah.
I'm also be as a Facebook free mode.
One of my parties say they use VPN. Change them go US so.
Anyway, Charlie, my last comment near from Pona. Me can see you do be near Chia Empon.
Me I will talk about the agenda boys.
Okay.
You see. Sometimes I will say who cyberbullying and I who agenda. But say it's a distinction now. I don't think say it would be hurting people's mental health all the time.
Okay.
So I feel agenda need the agenda need the enjoy violence need the
cyberbullying there.
Cyberbullying need access to kakra.
I endorse that particular statement.
Yeah, so Charlie, yeah, we get some people they don't know how they use the social media. Always hear them, they insult people.
Okay.
Me few.
Okay. I see people move to you all the time.
If you know me, me cry kasa me ho cry me hwe baby. Okay. Kasa me ho cry me hwe baby.
That be how they do all this. Yeah, it be cool.
Me, I know they take people serious like that. Sake of be you.
They feed you.
They feed me. So Charlie, Twitter no mo be another. Charlie socialize with people. Twitter ska wo ho. Bisa Sheldon obeka chi ska wo ho.
Oh, me ni mo hwe. No, they are saying
ska wo ho. Promos, deals, oton idea e beto. Unye paid promos bia.
Yeah.
So simple be retweeting about be paid no pa. Go DM simple. So Charlie, you manage for tear this cyberbullying top, then focus on what to agenda and you bit my but attend the DNA, those kind of rubbish comments there.
Okay. So yes, we have come to the end of the show. Thanks for being part of the MX Social Show today, and thanks for dropping your comments in our comment sections. I mean, using the hashtags and all those things. Same time next weekend, Kwadwo Sheldon is going to be sitting here, and we will be setting an agenda. What he has said. Yes, and Charlie, I'm dropping a shout out to
Oh, Charlie, big shout outs to everybody where they support the Sneaker Nyame brand.
Sneaker. Sneaker.
Charlie.
This guy is the original plug for Get Fire Stick.
Yeah, Sneaker Nyame. If you have seen big shout outs to for my brothers. Everybody we they support Sneaker Nyame FM. There was Sneaker Nyame Twitter Spaces. So you host it.
You are expanding.
And your podcast and so on. Yeah. And Beno success, Charlie blog site and so solid. Yeah, Torpedo, Kalije, Sedume, Charlie, Fake Zone, Walasi, Charlie, all the boys, all the agenda boys. Opia, agenda, he found Charlie. God bless you all for this.
But on the road, if you search sneakers, Charlie, Halam,
Nyame Banku.
Charlie, thanks for coming. Thanks for coming. Yapon, catch the camera and Uncle Pego baby.
Get your hands up, get your hands up, hands up, hands up. Turn down for what?
Angelina, you cool in my temperature. If you call
say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make I see, take a picture. Where the party there today? Hey mama, hey I have a same. Secure.
Celebrities should be able to understand that political seasons